Hi everybody, welcome back to Learn English for Kids. I'm David and this is Jenny. I hope you enjoyed our last class. Now this is our last lesson for the basic phonic classes, okay? So we have 4 letters today. So Jenny, what letters are we learning today?
Today's letters are going to be W, X, Y and Z.
Okay, so our first letter is W and the phonic sound for W is W. W. And repeat after me. W. W.
W, W.
Okay, great. And our first word for W is whale. Whale. W. Whale. W. Whale. And repeat after me. W. Whale.
W, whale.
W. Whale.
W, whale.
And our second W word is wig. Wig. W. Wig. W. Wig. And repeat after me. W. Wig.
W, wig.
W. Wig.
W, wig.
Okay, very good. And what letter comes after W again, Jenny?
It's letter X.
Okay, so the X phonic sound is a little bit different, okay? So the phonic sound for X is x, x. And repeat after me. X, x.
X, X.
Very good. Okay, and our first X word is X-ray. X-ray. X, X-ray. X, X-ray. And repeat after me. X, X-ray.
X, X-ray.
X, X-ray.
X, X-ray.
Okay, and our second word is X-ray fish. X-ray fish. X, X-ray fish. X, X-ray fish. And repeat after me. X, X-ray fish.
X, X-ray fish.
X, X-ray fish.
X, X-ray fish.
And our next letter, Jenny, what is it?
It's letter Y.
Okay, the phonic sound for letter Y is Y. Y. Repeat after me. Y. Y.
Yeah, yeah.
And our first word for Y is yellow. Yellow. Y. Yellow. Y. Yellow. And repeat after me. Y. Yellow.
Yeah, yellow.
Y. Yellow.
Yeah, yellow.
Very good. Okay. And our second word is yak. Yak. Y. Yak. Y. Yak. And repeat after me. Y. Yak.
Yeah, yak.
Y. Yak.
Yeah, yak.
Okay, excellent. And our last letter for today then, Jenny, what is it?
It's letter Z.
Okay, so letter Z. Our phonic sound for letter Z is Z. Z. Repeat after me. Z. Z.
Z, z.
Very good. Okay, our first word for letter Z is zebra. Zebra. Z. Zebra. Z. Zebra. And repeat after me. Z. Zebra.
Z, zebra.
Z. Zebra.
Z, zebra.
Very good. Okay, and our last word for today for letter Z is zoo. Zoo. Z. Zoo. Z. Zoo. And repeat after me. Z. Zoo.
Z, zoo.
Z. Zoo.
Z, zoo.
Okay, well thank you very much for watching our class. I hope you enjoyed all of our letters. We will be releasing some new videos very soon, some more phonic videos. And please don't forget to check out our games and quizzes.
ถ้าชอบก็อย่าลืมกดไลค์ กด subscribe และอย่าลืมกดกระดิ่งกันนะคะ
Okay, don't forget to subscribe, click like and press the bell notification to let you know when we release all of our videos. Okay, bye bye, see you again next time.